A massive freight train carries valuable cargo. Unaware danger waits along the remote mountain railway ahead. Unknown attackers secretly prepare an ambush beside the isolated railway, waiting patiently for the approaching freight. A sudden explosion destroys the railway, forcing the speeding freight train into catastrophic derailment instantly. Flames rapidly consume damaged wagons, while thick black smoke covers the devastated railway across the valley. 3 years later, silence surrounds the abandoned wreck as nature slowly reclaims the forgotten rail. Nature slowly engulfs the abandoned freight train as rust spreads across every damaged steel surface. The forgotten locomotive silently waits, surrounded by broken wagons and decades of growing wilderness. A railway inspection team unexpectedly discovers the forgotten wreck hidden deep inside the remote mountains. Heavy recovery equipment arrives, beginning the enormous task of rescuing the forgotten freight train carefully. Massive crawler cranes carefully lift the damaged locomotive, beginning its long journey toward complete restoration. Massive crawler cranes carefully lift the damaged locomotive, beginning its long journey toward complete Recovery teams separate burned cargo wagons, preparing each damaged section for safe transportation and restoration. Heavy loaders remove damaged containers, clearing access for complete locomotive recovery and structural The recovered locomotive begins its carefully planned transport toward a specialized railway restoration facility nearby. The damaged locomotive reaches the restoration factory, where skilled engineers prepare rebuilding operations immediately. Engineers carefully separate the locomotive body from its chassis, exposing years of hidden structural. The burned diesel engine is removed, revealing extensive mechanical damage requiring complete rebuilding and replacement. Heavy lifting equipment removes worn bogies, exposing the locomotive's massive underframe for detailed. Technicians remove burned steel panels, preparing the locomotive for complete structural reconstruction and strengthening ahead. Only the stripped chassis remains, ready for rebuilding into a powerful freight locomotive once again. A brand new diesel engine replaces the destroyed unit, restoring the locomotive's mechanical heart completely. Engineers install a rebuilt transmission, connecting engine power directly to the locomotive wheel assembly's precise. Modern braking systems replace damaged components, ensuring reliable stopping performance under heavy freight operations. Thousands of electrical connections restore critical control systems, preparing the locomotive for operational testing ahead. Mechanical restoration finishes successfully, bringing the forgotten freight locomotive one step closer to active service again. Technicians remove heavy rust, revealing solid steel beneath years of corrosion and severe fire damage. New steel panels replace destroyed sections, restoring the locomotive's original structural strength and appearance. A protective primer coats every surface, preparing the locomotive for its completely renewed exterior finish. Brilliant new colors transform the locomotive, completing its remarkable journey from destruction. The restored freight locomotive proudly emerges, looking factory new and ready for another lifetime of The rebuilt diesel engine starts successfully, marking an unforgettable milestone in the locomotive's Engineers verify braking performance, ensuring maximum safety before returning the locomotive to active freight service. Heavy cargo containers are loaded, testing the locomotive under realistic operating conditions before official approval. The restored locomotive accelerates confidently, proving exceptional performance across dedicated railway testing. Final certification is approved, officially returning the restored freight locomotive to commercial railway operations once again. The restored freight locomotive begins commercial service, carrying essential cargo across challenging railway routes. The powerful locomotive confidently crosses a massive bridge, delivering valuable cargo safely. Essential supplies reach their destination, proving the restored locomotive's remarkable reliability and last. Once abandoned forever, the locomotive now proudly serves global industries with renewed strength. Every restored journey proves determination and engineering can transform forgotten machines into